Howdy, howdy guys. Just traveling through those old mountains again, checking out the beauty of Oregon. It's kind of hard not to want to be, you know, out and about when you live in a state this gorgeous. Me and Cordy here, we're just traveling up this mountain road, and we looked down, and we just happened to see one of the most beautiful creeks on planet Earth. So we figured we'd come explore it with you guys. And we saw a little waterfall up the way, so let's take a look and see what we can see. Wow, look at that. Good to see you guys. Hope everyone's having a good winter, 2025. It's a great kind of start to the year. Moving through, planning some big adventures. I got some announcements coming up. And so I just wanted you to see what I'm doing this week. Just kind of walking around, checking out the beauty. And I saw this gorgeous little waterfall over here. So let's go explore it together. As long as we can make it through. That's why I got the snow boots. Just kind of skipping rock to rock for now, hoping to make it. Look how clear that water is. I mean, that right there is fresh snow melt. You could drink this water, guys. You could literally drink this water. I'm up here in the Cascades, deep in the mountain, where there's no pollution. And look at the kind of stuff I'm running into. Careful, Cordy. Some sort of deer prints. Looks like some deer have came through. You know, we're avoiding the cougars. But wow, look at this waterfall, guys. Come on, Cordy. Careful, careful, baby. Let me clear off the lens so you guys can get a better shot of this. Oh, wow. I haven't seen this little waterfall before. Obviously it flows a lot more in the wintertime, but it is sure beautiful. So I guess we'll name it together. We'll call it Mossy Falls. Nice little cedar tree growing there. Obviously some rocks have come tumbling over time. We'll try to avoid that. But wow, look at what we just found together, guys. First time here together, praise the Lord. I'm really hoping everyone's having a wonderful, wonderful week. And I just wanted you to come explore this little creek with me today, and I'm sure glad we did. Look at that. Blessings, guys. Saying prayers for all everybody. Giving thanks for all my friends. Sure is a beautiful life. Cordy's getting older, but she's still young as the day she was born. She's gonna be 12 this summer. But right now she's a beautiful 11-year-old Labrador, still exploring the mountains. Thank God for her. We'll catch you guys later. Stay blessed out there.